let's do it. So from there, there's no looking back. February 2021, we started building the product. In Nikki, I read an article that said Hoot has been around for a while. No, today is day one of Hoot, and we will launch it with my father's voice. So having said that, Appa is a very, very punctual man, like all of you know. He's the meaning of the word punctuality. So he's in Delhi right now. And Appa kana interface lankati. The first time I told him about Hoot, he just got the idea like that. So I'm expecting Appa to hoot any minute now. So once he does, just give me a thumbs up, team. Some of you may already have Hoot on your phones and some of you might not. But for those who do, you can access Talevar's Hoot as soon as he does. So can I have the Hoot screen? It's done? So that is Hoot, and just hold on, Shanawaz, don't play it till I tell you to. So, someone's already hearing the Hoot. That's good, that's the power of voice. So without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, one and only my father, Talevar superstar Rajinikanth, or a blessing with his voice, Hoot for you. Can we play the Hoot? உங்ககிட்ட மைக் கொடுத்துட்டேன்.
மரியாதைக்குரிய பத்திரிகை நண்பர்களுக்கும் அனைவருக்கும் என்னுடைய அன்பார்ந்த வணக்கங்கள். சௌந்தர்யா விஷாகன் உருவாக்கியுள்ள ஹூட் ஆப்பை துவக்குவதில் நான் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். சௌந்தர்யாவுக்கு என்னுடைய வாழ்த்துக்கள். இனி எழுத படிக்க தெரியாதவர்களும் சமூக வலைதளங்கள் மூலமாக அவங்களை மற்றவர்களுக்கு தெரிவிக்க வேண்டிய விஷயங்களையும் கருத்துக்களையும் எளிதாக அவங்களுடைய குரலிலேயே பதிவிட்டு தெரிவிக்கலாம். இது ஒரு அருமையான கண்டுபிடிப்பு. வருங்காலங்களில் இந்த ஹூட் ஆப் ட்விட்டர், ஃபேஸ்புக், இன்ஸ்டாகிராம் போல மிகவும் பிரபலம் அடைய வேண்டும் என்று எல்லாம் வல்ல இறைவனை வேண்டுகிறேன். வாழ்க தமிழ் மக்கள், வளர்க தமிழ்நாடு. ஜெய் ஹிந்த்.
Thank you, Appa.
Wow, what a moment, Saundarya.
Yes, absolutely.
You've come a long way.
My father is everything to me, and what better way than Appa launching Hoot. So with that, Hoot is now launched. And is there another Hoot that we would want to play? Because my father did dedicate his award to people. He's already tweeted that, and tweet is words. So Anga, it's text, and text doesn't have emotion. Voice has emotion. So the same dedication my father has hooted as well. Can we hear that too, please?
Well, what an amazing moment while we have the Hoot coming up. Saundarya, thank you so much for sharing this whole idea with the audience. It's been a pleasure. We have created one of the most amazing, unique platform that is from India, from Namma Chennai.
திரை உலகின் மிக உயர்ந்த விருதான தாதா சாஹேப் பால்கே விருதை என்னை உருவாக்கிய என்னுடைய குருநாதர் கே பாலச்சந்திர சார் அவர்களுக்கும், என்னுடைய அண்ணன் சத்யநாராயண ராவ் காயக்வாட் அவர்களுக்கும், என்னுடைய நண்பன் ராஜ் பகதூருக்கும், என்னுடைய படங்களுடைய தயாரிப்பாளர்கள், இயக்குநர்கள், தொழில்நுட்ப கலைஞர்கள், சக நடிகர்கள், விநியோகஸ்தர்கள், திரையரங்கு உரிமையாளர்கள், பத்திரிகை மற்றும் ஊடக நண்பர்கள், என்னுடைய ரசிகர்கள் மற்றும் என்னை வாழ வைக்கும் தெய்வங்களான தமிழ் மக்களுக்கு சமர்ப்பிக்கிறேன். நன்றி.
Wow, fantastic. What an honor, what a privilege.
Everybody deserves to be heard, and when we say celebrities, it's not just film stars, it's politicians, it's sports personalities, it's industrialists, it's media, journalists like yourself, and everybody who wants their voice to be heard in a language layung. That's what Hoot we want to focus on. It's not just about the primary languages spoken, but we have worked on bringing back languages like Sanskrit on the platform. So as we take this global, we will be adding many more languages on our interface. So with that, I would now, Sunny and I will take you into what Hoot is all about and some of the features we have on the platform.
Thank you, Saundarya. So this is a presentation that's going to be made right now about the features of Hoot, general, the way it works, and then we will take questions eventually after this presentation is over. So as you see, Let's use the power of our voice. Hoot, the voice-based social media platform from India for the world. So Hoot was basically conceived by Soundarya and me to give the power of the voice to the people. And we are rehumanizing the social media experience with the voice. It is just not in English, it is in 15 Indian languages. Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, languages that are very prevalent in India. Sanskrit, some languages that are not even heard of anymore but just spoken. Even those languages are going to be available on Hoot. Since our desire was always to be a platform that reaches out to the world, it is also in 10 international languages. You will have French, you will have German, you will have Spanish, Japanese, Chinese. So for the first time, there is a platform that's going out from India for the world. Now, most importantly, if you look at traditional social media applications, they're generally in English and very difficult to use, especially for the tier 2 and tier 3 population. We wanted this platform to be used by someone in Thoothukudi, somebody in Kanyakumari. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, everybody should be able to use this platform without any difficulty in a language that they understand. And that's why we customized it to be able to be available in different languages.
Sorry, Sunny. To add to that, we were very particular. We launched Hoot on both the interfaces, which is iOS and on Android. And that was important for us to make sure that both the users get the access to Hoot at the same time.
You are hearing things about IoT, Internet of Things, where everything is becoming connected devices. So Hoot is such a platform which will make it more powerful using artificial intelligence. Once you explore it, you'll understand more about it. You also hear about now children talking about Alexa and Google Home, and you can, even before you go home, you can turn your air conditioner. Before you get into your car, you can turn your car. You see smart bikes, smart vehicles. All of that is being powered by the bots, which is Alexa and Google Home. So Hoot is such a bot as well. You can talk to it eventually, right? In the first phase, we have not shown that, but in the next few weeks, we are going to release that as well because we are taking steps to launch it into the world. So this also is going to be powered by voice. You can do anything talking to it, right? So people literally don't need to understand how to use it. You can talk to it and it will play for you.
So to add on that, like you already have Hey Siri, Hey Google, you will soon have Hey Hoot. And to add to that, people who use watches that are, digital watches that connect to platforms like the iWatch and the alternate version on the Android, Hoot is accessible on that. And that browsing, you cannot use other platforms like Facebook to browse what's happening, but on Hoot, you can hear your voice note on your phone. So having said that, Hoot does provide a middle ground between text and highly orchestrated, curated image video platforms. When Sunny did mention we want to rehumanize the social media experience, we want to keep it as natural as it can get. Only I can sound the way I do. So we don't want, we are looking at features like filters coming in the future stage, but right now we want to keep it as simple and straightforward like voice notes. There is a need for short-form audio platform in a world where the consumer's attention span is shrinking. We have IPL, which is 20 overs right now. And I personally feel Twitter, when it did come out 16 years ago, it kind of worked with people because it was short messages. So on Hoot, we have kept it up till 60 seconds. And I think people want to know what the headlines is about and move on very quickly. And there is screen fatigue post-COVID pandemic. Because we were all at home during lockdown. It was all the time television or the phone. So with Hoot, what we do intend to do, people can use their headphones when they're in their car and start listening to things instead of reading text and watching videos nonstop.
So just to summarize, what are some of the key features and how it works, right? Because I want you all to be able to use it after this meeting because you are our brand ambassadors into the world. So you can use your own voice and record for 60 seconds as you would do it on any voice note in your phone. Once you do that, you can upload these 60 seconds as a voice Hoot. That voice bit or the voice note that we are calling now as a Hoot, which is for 60 seconds. You can also send messages, direct messages to people with absolute privacy as a voice note. That's called our direct Hoot, similar to your direct messages.
Quickly, right now, I think I should mention why the name Hoot. Like I said, I gave you the story of what inspired me for Hoot. And on the idea of the second lane, the Hoot in the mind, and from that time, we never even looked at changing the name. And Hoot is the sound an owl makes. And the white owl is considered, it symbolizes wisdom. So it made meaning for us. And I think it's all tweet, Twitter, tweet, Angaporadhanala. I thought Hoot is also a verb. So have you hooted? Do you want to hoot? It can be like, have you tweeted? So that's the reason for the name Hoot. So I come from the film industry, and Ennala Vandittu, I can't imagine watching a film without background music. So to bring a little bit of cinematic experience on the platform, we did decide to add a feature where people can add a background music to their particular hoot. So if you're wishing someone for their birthday, you can add happy birthday on that hoot before you hoot it out. So in the future, we do plan to tie up with music labels. For example, Annatha is just around the corner. So Annatha patti hoot pandringana, Annatha BGM potu hoot pannalam அப்படின்ற ஒரு concept. And it is an easier way to share thoughts without inhibition of appearance. And I'm sure everybody will agree, at least over 5 minutes, we all stand in front of the mirror to adjust our head, to adjust how we look, if it's a photograph or a video. But on Hoot, at early in the morning, middle of the night, whenever you feel like sharing your thoughts to the world, you can hoot without inhibitions of appearance.
We also have a concept of private and public groups. So you can have discussions using voice within your private group or public group, and that is confidential. So this is also an additional feature that we have in Hoot, so that you can have larger people interacting within your application about what you think about certain subjects or debates that you might have. So I also want to showcase Made in India technology platform serving a global audience. So reiterating what I said, this is made in Namma Chennai. We have brought Silicon Valley back into India where it truly belongs. India was called the golden bird. We were the largest traders. We were the gold capital of the world. Today, we are the technology capital of the world. And we intentionally made sure that most of the development happened here in Namma Chennai in Siruseri. So it's a matter of pride for all of us that this has been done, but has been done at a global scale, right? We have not compromised in any way. Whatever we have done, the UI UX standards, how it looks, how it works, the scalability, all has been designed at international standards. So that's something that we wanted to showcase here.
So a little bit about the private and public groups. I'm sure all of you are aware of platforms like Clubhouse and Spaces. So on the format is, there is a room where there are a lot of people, a few people talk and many listen, but it is done at a particular time. So that's something which we wanted to give the freedom of people of no time restriction. So Hoot follows a model where it's one way, but when we do come up with our groups features, we're taking into consideration what is convenient for people, and we're going to enhance it a little bit more. So we are having a foolproof verification process to get verified. We have followed every protocol given by the government, and it is an honor for me to say right now that we do have the IT Minister of the country, Ashwini ji, on the platform. And we will make sure that verification is very stringent, because we don't want people impersonating anyone on the platform with voice. And like I said, we do have a stringent monitoring, zero tolerance to harassment. And can we show that on screen? Is that? By that, what I mean is we do have a team sitting and looking at hoots every single day. And people can report a hoot if it offends them or if it is inappropriate, and we will pull down the hoot immediately. So you can report a hoot, and we have these options or more, and you can submit it, and we have a team at back end sitting monitoring this, because we as a platform are very, very conscious of how responsible we should be, and we do not and we will not encourage anything that's inappropriate on the platform. Thank you so much, Shanavas.
So just to add on to what Soundarya said, some of the more international media platforms are not very conscious about the culture of India. What we might consider inappropriate may not be inappropriate for them. So we want to do what the land demands. That means we want to be conscious about our culture. We want to keep that as a prima facie important factor for us while we decide on what hoots come down. So adding on to...
and give your profile details, and then you can record a hoot or upload an already recorded hoot. You can add an image that supports your hoot, and then you can write a small description up to 120 characters on what your hoot is about. But we're keeping it as voice-centric as possible. Even in our comment section, people can comment in text, of course, and you can voice comment as well. Since yesterday, there have been a lot of voice comments, which I've enjoyed listening to, and that's the access, and that's what social media does. It connects people. So the immediate next set of features that we're working on within the next couple of days and couple of weeks, for everybody who already have Hoot on your phones, you will have an update notification. Once you update it, you will get the new features on your phone. So we are working on pinned hoots, which are extremely important. We are working on multiple profiles from one device. As of now, you have one device, one profile, but that will be coming soon. We do have privacy settings where one gets to decide who gets to hear their hoots. We already have an option of comments on and off, but we will have that feature very soon as well. We do have, now this is something that Sani and I are very excited about, and we're working on it, and it is very technically challenging, but we will, God's grace, have that very soon. We are working on a concept of subtitles in different languages for hoots. So if someone's following me and if I hoot in Tamil, that person can choose to see the subtitles in English to understand what I've said. So that's an interesting feature that will come very soon. We are also working on a customized playlist where you can select the hootsters you want to hear daily with autoplay. So if you connect Hoot to your phone, there is a feature of autoplay, and you can choose, like, you can follow me, you can follow X, you can follow Y, and then the autoplay will play each hoot one after another as you move on with your lives.
Thank you, Soundarya. So this is to make life simpler for you. You're driving, you want to listen to music, you can choose the hootsters that you're following, you'll have a music playlist. You're in the gym, you want to inspire yourself, you can have a gym playlist. You're feeling religious, you want to follow somebody who you're inspired by, you can create a playlist. So this is something that we think people are going to use, and it'll play one after another. All you just say skip, it'll move to the next. So these are customized playlists, which is a distinct feature of what Hoot's going to be. So let me summarize for the interest of the audience here. So Hoot, innovation in social media experience. Why we brought it here? Because by now you must have understood how we are completely different from anything else out there. World's first 60 seconds news hoots. It's never been done before. Just in voice for the first time. Now what does that enable? It enables you, the media people, to put out their news in 60 seconds. We are an aggregator. We are a technology platform. 2, for the first time, we are discovering what is called as a concept of H to H. You must have heard of B2B, business to business. You must have heard of B2C, business to consumer. These are all different jargons that people use. For the first time, Hoot is promoting a new concept called human-to-human interaction. How so? You just heard what Talaivar Rajnikant sir said. You connected. We enabled a human to connect with another human being. You will listen to the Information Technology Minister, Sri Ashwini Vaishnavji, when you go on to Hoot. For the first time today, when I sat down, I knew he was a leader, but when I heard his voice, I really thought that there was a connection between what he's trying to do and me as a technology entrepreneur of what I'm trying to achieve. So it's human-to-human connection. Same with MS Dhoni and the cricketers and music stars and cine stars and so on and so forth. The next feature, AI-enabled language conversion, which Soundarya briefly touched upon. We are ensuring that it is not necessary for someone to understand a particular language to read or write to be able to use Hoot. So we want to use the power of technology. We are in touch with some of the best minds in the world to enable us to be able to translate in real time. And that's a feature that's going to come up in the short run.
What we're planning to launch is, since I do come from the film industry, most of the film trailers are cut with the extravagant visuals. So I am in touch with a few production houses, and we are working on a concept of audio voice teasers and trailers. So a visual trailer is of course played on radio, but then audio teasers are where you take the best dialogues of a particular film, the important punchlines of a film, and you play it out as a 60-second teaser. So that's a concept I'm working on, and of course a few production houses have already they're already excited about it, and we will say more about this as we move forward.
So just to add that, we remember Kalaignar by his voice. The people in the village remember by his voice. We remember celebrities in the media by the voice. That is the core of a soul of a human being. And that's what we're trying to bring back here with Hoot. AI-driven voice-based search, which is an extension. So you could talk to Hoot and it'll give you the content. You say, can you play me something what ABCD said a month back? It'll come back and it'll play the Hoot with you, right? Most important, all of us now are using smart TVs. You have Android devices at home, you are talking to it, you use many OTT platforms, you're talking to it and asking it for content. These are smart TVs. Hoot will be in that. You could talk to it before you reach home and say, start playing this music, I'm reaching home. Start playing these channels of news, I'm reaching home. And it'll compile and keep it ready so that when you get in home, you can listen to it. So these are some of the salient features of Hoot, which we will take questions eventually and we'll answer any doubts that you have.
So having said that, Hoot, like I mentioned earlier, we are a very recent company compared to the other giants in social media. And I'm so happy to say that Girish is a very dear family friend. And Girish is Ennoda Appa Guru. And Girish has made us all so proud in the recent times. And Girish Vandu, he takes every Appa song lyrics as his inspiration and what motivates him and the team. So one of the lines in his recent interview that one of the lyric lines that he mentioned was Singanade pottu sigarattilere sigarattai adendal vaanattilere, and he has achieved that. So when I did talk to Girish about Hoot, he was very happy with the idea and concept, and he immediately agreed to be an advisor for us. And like I said, it's very early for us, but we do aspire to follow the path he has already given for a company that's made in India for the world. And on that note, I would be happy to play Girish's Hoot as well.
Hi, this is Girish Mathrubootham from Freshworks. Congratulations to Soundarya and the entire Hoot team for this launch. I'm excited to see Hoot launch as a global product from India and that also from Namma Chennai. What makes this launch even more special is the first Hoot is coming from Namma Thalaivar. So, Korala Ketale Chumma Adirdilla moment for Hoot and for all of us. So please join Hoot, speak up and make your voice heard. Congratulations team on this fantastic launch and wish you all success.
So Girish is one of our advisors at this stage.
Thank you, Soundarya. As Soundarya said, he's created a multi-billion-dollar company. We are going to create the largest platform. He is going to be one of the key advisors because we want to launch this at a global scale. We want to take this to the next level, and superior minds who've been there, done it, are always going to be a great guiding spirit because we're going to run this very corporate, very professional, and this is going to be catering to all gamuts of society. The other advisor that we have onboarded onto Hoot, who's a dear friend of ours, Arvind Parsati. Arvind is a leading and prolific Silicon Valley investor. He's been there, done it, created multi-billion-dollar companies, sold them, exited. Right now, he is creating another company in which I'm associated as well as a director. He is also from Namma Chennai. He got his degree from IIT Madras and then went on to do his master's in computer science from MIT. We are also very honored to have him as an advisor. He like Girish, sits in the Silicon Valley. We are going to be adding a lot more people in different gamuts of society who can add value as we propel to become the largest voice-based social media platform from India for the world. I now request the team to play the Hoot from Arvind.
Hello everyone. I'm very excited to be uploading my first Hoot. When I first heard about Hoot from Soundarya and Sunny, I was amazed by the compelling simplicity of the concept and the easy-to-use mobile application. Digital characters on a screen can communicate words, but human communication is so much more than just words. With our voices, we communicate a gamut of emotions, feelings, nuance, empathy, subtlety, sentiment. The list is endless. Hoot is rehumanizing the social media experience by using the power of our own voices. I am honored to be an advisor to the company, and congratulations and best wishes to Soundarya and Sunny and Hoot for a great launch.
So thank you. And with that, we're very happy that today Appa has voice launched Hoot, and it is now available and waiting to hear you all. Let us all be heard and use the power of our voice. So we're happy to take questions after this.
So we are as excited, and I hope you are as excited, because at the end of the day, this is just not another product, right? This is something that we have dreamt about, conceived, also a language. Correct, sir. Sir, for some people, life is not all about monetizing. It is all about creating change, creating impact. And Soundarya and me have always thought about wanting to create this platform for every Indian. If somebody thinks that Sanskrit is the language that they are going to, so be it. We will provide the platform. If somebody feels Tamil is, it's for them as well.
And sir, the language voice platformன்றதுனால the option of the language interface change இருக்கு. அது மட்டும்தான் mandatory கிடையாது. So we have Tamil, we have English, we have Telugu, we have Malayalam. அதுல ஒரு language we are reviving Sanskrit because we are a made in India for the world platform. So நாளைக்கு spiritual leaders அவங்கெல்லாம் வந்தாங்கன்னா they can upload a slokam every morning and the interface can be in Sanskrit. It is an option, it is not the only language of the platform.
சௌந்தர்யா, இந்த மாதிரி சோசியல் மீடியாவில் நிறைய சண்டை, நிறைய அப்யூஷன், நிறைய அடுத்தவங்க பற்றி தப்பாக பேசுகிறது தான் நிறைய வருது. அப்படிப்பட்டது இதில் ஒரு நிமிஷத்தில் நீங்கள் எப்படி அது மானிட்டர் வச்சுருக்கீங்களா? வாய்ஸுங்கும்போது ஒவ்வொரு ஸ்லாங் இருக்குது, திருநெல்வேலி ஸ்லாங்கு, மதுரை ஸ்லாங்னு, அதெல்லாம் நீங்கள் எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்பீங்க? அந்த மாதிரிலாம் உங்களுக்கு டெக்னாலஜி இருக்கா? எப்படி அதை ரிமூவ் பண்ணுவீங்க?
Very good question, sir. Let me take that. So the way we have built the technology is that there is something which we call as a prowl in the back end. Prowl means we are watching out for content that could be abusive. One, we are expecting people to tell us that there is abusive content, and we are acting quickly. We are going to download it off from the app. Second, we are also monitoring using tech tools that we have. Third, we have physical people also sitting down and flagging content that could not be right. So we are catering to all the three steps that we need to take to ensure that Hoot remains as a safe platform for everybody.
So நீங்க கேட்ட கேள்வி I absolutely understand. And எல்லா பிளாட்ஃபார்ம்லயும் அந்த ரிஸ்க் இருக்கு சார். ட்விட்டர்லயும் இருக்கு, ஃபேஸ்புக்லயும் இருக்கு, இன்ஸ்டாகிராம்லயும் இருக்கு. So that's why we have a report and report a Hoot if it is offensive or inappropriate. So மற்ற பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் ஃபேஸ் பண்ற அந்த சேலஞ்ச் நாங்களும் ஃபேஸ் பண்ணுவோம். But social media is a very, very powerful tool that everybody can connect with everyone. So பொறுப்பா எல்லாரும் இதை யூஸ் பண்ணா நல்ல விஷயத்துக்கு பயன்படும். So I do hope that everybody does use this for the good of all.
சௌந்தர்யா,
இல்லைங்க, this is not that. Because Clubhouse பார்த்தீங்கன்னா that's a different model where you can create a room at a particular time and you can invite people or they themselves can come in. Spaces-உம் அப்படிதான், but Hoot is a one-way communication. So இப்போ நீங்கள் if you want to Hoot in your car on your way back home, you can Hoot it. நீங்கள் அந்த டைம் பார்த்து தான் அந்த ரூம்குள்ளே போகணுன்ற ஃபார்மேட் Hoot கிடையாது.
சௌந்தர்யா, இதில் ஏஜ் ரிஸ்ட்ரிக்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கா? யார் வேணால் உள்ளே போகலாமா? ஒரு கொஸ்டின். ரெண்டாவது, ஆண்ட்ராய்டு பற்றி சொன்னீங்க, ஆப்பிள் எந்த அளவுக்கு சப்போர்ட் பண்ணோம்? ரெண்டாவது
ஆமாங்க, we are on both iOS and on Android. iOS தான் Apple phones, Android are the other smartphones that you have. We do have a basic age restriction of course, but then என்னோட பையன் 6 வயசு ஆகுது. இன்னைக்கு ஈவினிங் போன உடனே அம்மா நான் ஹூட் பண்ணுறேன்னு சொன்னான். ஸோ அவன் என் ப்ரொஃபைல்லேருந்து ஹூட் பண்ணலாம். But of course we are looking at 12 and above to keep it safe, and we did, like I said, எல்லா ரூல்ஸும் நாங்கள் ஃபாலோ பண்ணியிருக்கோம். So to even make a voice-based social media platform, we had a few protocols to follow which we have.
இந்த வெரிஃபைடு சிம்பிள்னு ஒன்று வரும் இல்லையா, இன்ஸ்டாவில், ட்விட்டரில் எல்லாம். ஸோ இதில் எப்படி வெரிஃபைடு கொடுப்பீங்களா? இல்லை இதில் என்ன வாய்ஸ் மெசேஜுங்கிறதுனால நிறைய பேர் மிமிக்ரி ரஜினி சார் வாய்ஸே நிறைய பேர் பேசுவாங்க.
Correct.
ஸோ யாரெல்லாம் யார் வாய்ஸ் வேணாலும் பேசினா இது எப்படி அது
இல்ல actually mimicry is an entertainment thing. அது பண்ணலாம். People can be entertained with mimicry. We do have verification. Shanavas, can we show that? Is that possible to pull up the app on the screen? So there is a process. So நீங்க Hoot download பண்ணிட்டு verify ஆகணும்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா you can apply for verification. And நீங்க என்ன இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில இருந்து வரீங்கன்ற பொறுத்து நாங்க சில questions கேட்போம். So அந்த questions நீங்க fill up பண்ணி upload பண்ணீங்கன்னா we will check it from back end and give you the blue tick.
So verification process is in the app itself, and we cater to the regulations to ensure that we are only verifying the right people.
Ma'am, what kind of data are you going to collect from users, and what is the revenue model? Is it going to be advertisement driven, or is it going to be a freemium driven revenue model?
So at this point of time, we are going to ensure that there is natural adoption of the platform by everybody, so we are not charging anything from anybody. This is also not monetized using ad revenue at this point of time. We are at a stage where we want to popularize the platform because this is by people from India, for people from India and for the world. So the goal right now is to ensure that there is natural adoption, and with the support of like-minded people, which is the media people, you understand this platform better than anybody else out there. We are expecting you to be partnering with us to make sure that this propagates and reaches the hand of every Indian out there, urban, rural, and you are empowering the people to be heard. So you are our brand ambassadors. We're not going to spend too much money on advertising, because when we have the connect and the partnership with the media itself, this is not a typical product, right? I'm not selling a CRM software. I'm not selling groceries. I'm selling a platform. You are the content creator. You are empowering people. You are giving the power in the hands of the people for them to be heard.
What data is the app going to collect from the users, please?
Nothing. Very basic data, just their
Whatever you
name
use
and
to
telephone
register.
number.
Yeah, whatever you use to register on the platform is the data we have. And நிறைய வாட்டி சில
I will take your question again a little later, sir. I will meet you in person.
இப்போ உங்க பிளாட்ஃபார்முக்கு நீங்க நோடல் ஆஃபீஸர் அந்த மாதிரி விஷயங்கள் எல்லாம்
So we are
பண்ணிட்டீங்களா?
following every regulation that the Department of Communication and the Information Technology at the center has rolled out. They have a real clear policy. We are following every policy document that the government has laid out for social media platforms.
we
We're
are
very conscious
made
about
in
it.
India for the world platform. So we're very careful to follow all those protocols.
நீங்க
Soundarya,
மாதிரி
how
இப்போ மேட் இன்
exactly
இந்தியா
are you planning to compete with Instagram or Facebook or Twitter when it comes to that? Because we have Hoot and we have Tweet now. So how exactly are you planning to compete with them?
Well, the idea is not to compete with them. The idea was to give up an original idea which is not on other platforms. You do have a voice option on Twitter, but then Tweet has become so famous in people's head that it's only text. It is one of the features in other platforms. You can also add voice. But Hootla pathina, we're keeping it very straightforward. We are a voice-based platform. Matadala will support the voice, but predominantly it's only voice. So if we end up going in the direction that they have as a social media company, we'll be very happy. But the idea of Hoot was not to be a competition for these giants.
ட்விட்டர் மாதிரி பிளாட்ஃபார்ம்ஸில் சில நேரங்களில் நேஷ்னல் லெவலில் முக்கியத்துவம் வாய்ந்த பிரச்சனைகளுக்கு எல்லாரும் கருத்து சொல்லும்போது கவர்மெண்ட்டுக்கு அந்த கருத்து எதிராக இருக்கும்போது கவர்மெண்ட் அந்த கருத்துக்களை ரிமூவ் பண்ண சொன்ன விஷயங்கள்லாம் நடந்திருக்கு. ட்விட்டர் வந்து அதில் ரொம்ப உறுதியாக இருந்தாங்க, நாங்கள் அந்த மாதிரி ரிமூவ் பண்ண மாட்டோம், கருத்துரிமைக்கு நாங்கள் முக்கியத்துவம் கொடுப்போம் அப்படின்னு. நீங்கள் கவர்மெண்ட் சைடு இருப்பீங்களா, இல்லை மக்கள் சொல்லக்கூடிய கருத்துக்கள் நியாயமாக இருந்தால் அதை லட்சம் பேர் அதை ரிப்போர்ட் பண்ணாலும் கருத்து சரியாக இருந்தால் நாங்கள் அதில் உறுதியாக இருப்போம்னு இருப்பீங்களா?
Let me take that. Sir, as I rightly just now said, that we are a platform that is for the people, and we will follow every regulation that's laid out by the law of land. We will empower people and we will have their voices heard, but staying within the gamut of the regulations that are laid out, because at the end of the day, we want every Indian's voice heard, and for that to happen, we have to follow the rules and regulations which we will obey completely.
சௌந்தர்யா மேடம், இது ஆரம்பிக்கும் போதே நீங்கள் ஒன்று சொன்னீங்க. இப்போ யூஸ்வலாக சூப்பர் ஸ்டார் ரஜினிகாந்தை பற்றி அவர் நின்னாலோ நடந்தாலோ பேசினாலோ என்ன பண்ணாலும் பயங்கர பிக் அப்ளாஸ் இருக்கும், பெரிய வரவேற்பு இருக்கும். அவரை பற்றி ஏதாவது ஒரு விஷயம் வருதான்னு பார்த்துட்டே இருப்பாங்க. இப்போ இந்த ஈவெண்ட் நீங்கள் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போதே ஒரு விஷயத்த சொன்னீங்க. என்ன சொன்னீங்கன்னா, அப்பாவுக்கு நல்லா தமிழ் பேசுவார், நல்லா தமிழ் தெரியும், ஆனால் எழுத தெரியாதுன்னு ஒரு வார்த்தையை நீங்கள் வந்து அள்ளி போட்டீங்களே. இது வந்து பின்னாடி ஒரு பெரிய இஷ்யூ ஆகாதா, இல்லை என்ன அர்த்தத்தில் அது சொன்னீங்க?
இல்லைங்க, இது நான் அப்பாவோட ரொம்ப ஓப்பனாக பேசி டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணி சொன்னேன். அப்பா கேன் ரீட் தமிழ் வெரி வெரி வெல், பட் ஃப்ளூவெண்ட் தமிழ் எழுதுறது வந்து நீங்கள் தமிழ் படிச்சாதான் அந்த கிராமர் அந்த லிட்ரேச்சர் புரியும். அண்ட் மை ஃபாதர் கேன் ரீட் மெனி லாங்குவேஜஸ். இட்ஸ் அமேசிங். ஹி கேன் ரீட் தெலுங்கு, ஹி கேன் ரீட் கன்னடா, ஹி கேன் ரீட் இங்கிலீஷ் அண்ட் ஹி கேன் ரீட் தமிழ். பட் ஃப்ளூவெண்ட்டாக அப்பாவை நீங்கள் லைனாக ஃபுல்லாக தமிழில் எழுதுங்கன்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா அப்பாவுக்கு அது ஆக்சுவலாக ஹீஸ் நாட் வெரி கிரேட் அட் தட். அதுதாங்க உண்மை சொல்றதுக்கு நான் எங்க பயப்படணும்.
இல்ல பயத்துக்கு சொல்ல வரல. யூஸ்வலா அவரை பத்தி நெகட்டிவ் தேடுறவங்க நிறைய பேர் இருப்பாங்க இல்லைங்களா? இன்னைக்கு வந்து அந்த லாங்குவேஜ் இஷ்யூ நிறைய போயிட்டு இருக்கு. இப்ப தமிழ் இப்ப ரீசெண்ட் டேஸ்ல கூட எல்லாரும் ஹிந்தி கண்டிப்பா படிக்கணும், அதுதான் நேஷனல் லாங்குவேஜ்னு ஒரு பெரிய இஷ்யூ ஓடிச்சு சோஷியல் மீடியால. ஸோ இப்போ இது ஒரு சோஷியல் மீடியா பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்றீங்க. இப்போ வந்து அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு வார்த்தை போட்டுட்டீங்களே, நீங்க ஓப்பனா பேசுறீங்க, அவரும் ஓப்பனா சொல்றவர் தான் எல்லாத்தையுமே. அது வந்து விஷயமே இல்லை. ஏதாவது தேடுறவங்களுக்கு இது கிடைக்குமே, அது மாதிரி நீங்க ஒரு ஆன்சர்.
இன்னைக்கு தலைவர் வந்து அந்த ஸ்டேஜ் எல்லாம் தாண்டி தாதா சாஹிப் பால்கே அவார்ட் வாங்கி நேஷனல் லெவல்ல.
ஒரு சின்ன டவுட், அப்பாவுக்கு தமிழ் எழுத முடியாதுன்றதுனால அப்பா மேல லவ் எல்லாருக்கும் குறைய போதா? இல்ல. So that's what the point is.
Good evening, Soundarya.
How often do you expect his tweet? அதை பண்ணுறாரா? எப்போ தேவையோ அப்போ பண்ணுறாங்க. ட்விட்டர் எப்படி அப்பா பர்சனலாக யூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்களோ டெக்ஸ்ட்டுக்கு வாய்ஸ், அந்த வாய்ஸை வந்துட்டு ஹூட்டில் யூஸ் பண்ணுவாங்க. தட்ஸ் வாட் வி டூ எக்ஸ்பெக்ட் ஃப்ரம் எவ்ரிபடி, நாட் ஜஸ்ட் அப்பா, செலிபிரிட்டிஸ் across categories. That's what we're expecting. So having said that, I think we will wrap this press meet and we'll be more than happy. Of course, if you have any views, any opinions, you can tag me on Hoot and you can ask me a question. I'll be more than happy to answer it on the platform.
One more question.
Yes, of course.
இப்போ எல்லா மீடியாவிலும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா காப்பிரைட் இஷ்யூஸ் இருக்குது. இப்போ உங்கள் இதில் எப்படி நீங்கள் மூவி கிளிப்ஸ் சாங்ஸ் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம்னு சொல்லியிருக்கீங்க. ஸோ வாட் அபவுட் காப்பிரைட் இஷ்யூஸ்?
We are following whatever the copyright laws are for companies. அதனால தான் இப்போ நீங்கள் பேக்ரவுண்ட் ஸ்கோர் ஹூட்டில் பார்த்தா கூட we have created it. We own the IP for it. And when I mentioned about background music, I did very clearly say that we are in talks with labels because copyright is something we will take seriously.
சௌந்தர்யா, இன்னைக்கு வந்து ரஜினி சார் வந்து தாதா சாஹிப் விருது வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. இந்தியா ஃபுல்லாக பெரிய செய்தியாக வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. இப்போ ஹூட் வந்து அந்த மாதிரி பெரிய செய்தியாக வரணும்னா நீங்கள் வந்து ஒரு புதுசாக ஒரு செய்தி சொல்லணும். அவர் 169வது படம் எப்போ ஹூட்டில் போடுவார், யாரை டைரக்ட் பண்ணுவா, எப்போ அது சொன்னீங்க தானே கொஞ்சம் பரபரப்பாகும். இல்லை நீங்கள் ரஜினி வச்சு எப்போ படம் பண்ண போகிறீங்க, அது எப்போ ஹூட்டில் போட போகிறீங்க?
இந்த டாபிக் கொஞ்சம் டிவியேட் ஆகுதுங்க. ஸோ பிஃபோர் தட்
கொஞ்சம் வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க சார், ஹூட்டில் வரோம்.
இப்போ எங்கள் ஆஸ் அ ஃபேமிலி, லைக் ஐ செட், today is a very very special day for us. My father did receive the Dada Saheb and my brother-in-law also the Best Actor Award. And இப்போ we are as a family are focusing on Annatha release. So Annathaக்கு முன்னாடி அப்பா ஹூட் பண்ணுவாங்களானா, let's hope he does. So thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you sir.
Madam,
one last question, ma'am.
அதான் சொன்னேனுங்க, ஹூட்னா இட்ஸ் த சவுண்ட் தட் an owl makes. Owl பண்ற சத்தம் பேரு ஹூட். and a white owl is, it symbolizes wisdom. and tweet எப்படி ஒரு பறவை இருந்துச்சோ அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு எனக்கு ஐடியா வந்த உடனே ஹூட்னு தான் வந்துச்சு.
நீங்கள் ஹூட் டவுன்லோட் பண்ண உடனே உங்களுக்கு ஒரு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனில் ஒரு சவுண்ட் வரும், அதுதான் ஹூட். நீங்கள் டவுன்லோட் பண்ணி ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க.
So yeah, one நிமிஷம்.
Ma'am, one last question.
Yes, tell me.
How big is your back-end team and does your app have headquarters?
Sorry, repeat that again.
How big is your back-end team?
Yeah.
And does your app have headquarters?
Headquarters. Yeah, we are from India. We are in Siriseri. We are headquartered here. You are welcome to visit us anytime. We will show you the team. Thank you.
And how big is your back-end team?
So we have a large team. We run some of the most robust platforms globally, and the same kind of importance has been given to Hoot as well, because we know this is going to become huge thanks to people like you, right? So please come on to Hoot, and we'll make sure that you're heard.
Thank
you.
Thank you all for being here today.